Hey guys, what's happening? How to transform your ideas into visuals with Hailuo AI. First of all, access the Hailuo AI website. Okay, make sure to sign in or sign up using your account. Next, enter your ideas. You can go ahead and click the plus button to enter right here your ideas or the prompt. Right, describe your concept in detail for better results, and of course, choose the style, right? While creating the video or transform the ideas. If you want it to be realistic, anime, abstract, etc., or you can add it in the you can include it in the prompt. Okay, and lots of example. I want AI robot dancing, right? And you can go ahead and insert the camera movement, right? If you want it to be something like this, right? Or right walking, or you can just go ahead and click free selection if you want to add a free selection for that. You go ahead and select this one, for example, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit create at the bottom right, or hit generate. Okay, and of course, as we mentioned before, you need to sign up or sign in using your account in order for this to work out. Okay, and then you're gonna be able to just click the 30 right here, and you're gonna be able to create the video, and you're gonna be able right here to see the video is generating. Okay, and you're gonna be able to download it or save your visual for projects, presentations, or social media. Pro tip: experiment with different prompts to get a unique, high quality visuals. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.